Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot: when can I withdraw from Kraken? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at why this question is so important. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and many people use it to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. But sometimes, you might need to withdraw your funds for various reasons. Maybe you want to cash out your profits, transfer money to another exchange, or simply use it for personal expenses. So, when can you actually withdraw from Kraken? Well, the answer is a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. It depends on a few factors, such as your account type, verification level, and the specific cryptocurrency you're trying to withdraw. Let's break it down. Account type. Kraken offers different types of accounts, each with varying withdrawal limits and restrictions. The most basic account is the starter account, which has limited withdrawal options and daily limits. As you upgrade your account to intermediate or pro, you'll gain access to higher withdrawal limits and faster processing times. Verification level. To ensure the security of your funds, Kraken requires you to verify your identity. This process involves providing personal information, such as your name, address, and photo ID. The higher your verification level, the higher your withdrawal limits will be. Cryptocurrency. Different cryptocurrencies have different withdrawal limits and processing times. Some cryptocurrencies may have instant withdrawals, while others may take several days or even weeks. Additionally, some cryptocurrencies may have minimum withdrawal amounts. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of withdrawing from Kraken. Log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the withdrawal amount. Select the withdrawal method. Provide the necessary information, such as the recipient address or bank details. Confirm the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal, it will be processed by Kraken. The processing time will vary depending on the cryptocurrency and your verification level. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Check the withdrawal fees. Kraken charges fees for withdrawals, so be sure to factor this into your calculations. Be patient. It can take some time for your withdrawal to be processed, especially if you're withdrawing a large amount or using a less common cryptocurrency. Double-check your information. Make sure you enter all the necessary information correctly to avoid any delays or issues. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps protect your funds. In conclusion, withdrawing from Kraken is a relatively straightforward process, but it's important to understand the factors that can affect the withdrawal time and limits. By following the steps outlined in this video and keeping these tips in mind, you can withdraw your funds from Kraken safely and efficiently. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency updates and tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.